do you know? Margaret is not just any monkey. He's a monkey of merit. A monkey who was made Buddha once. None other than me can challenge him to a duel. Look, monkey, I don't make a habit of fighting someone I've bested before. Here's my offer. If you lose, I'll take you to the Celestial Court. They will stay and level your mountain. But if I lose, I shall certainly take revenge, and they will level your mountain nonetheless. How tragic would that be, huh? You are one of the court. We don't need to resort to violence. How about you bend the knees, admit the wrongs, and we can put this behind us.
All these years, except for that pig, you're the one who talks the tallest tales. Good, I am entertained. Speaking of entertainment, wouldn't it be fun if I pluck your extra eye out for my snack and allow you to keep the other two? Because I'd hate to let you miss how I'll slaughter each mongrel of the court. Those below, those above, and that black mutt of yours. Come at me, all of you.
Fighting Buddha. Have you any idea how many would give their everything for immortality?
Immortality? For that word, all realms and beings have ruined themselves.
Celestial Court welcomes you, foul monkey, yet you remain untamed. None shall save you now.
Dear brother, your edge needs honing. Good. I was in need of a back scratcher. You call that a duel? The glare is dazzling. Fight me, you have the guts.
ஒருத்தங்க வர சொல்லிட்டு எல்லாருக்கும் ஜெயிக்க முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு மந்திரத்தை போட்டுருவாங்க. ஜெயிச்சிருக்காங்க.